What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, we have three really big articles. This one is an analyst who predicted the 2010-2013 bull run. Same exact guy who perfectly called it. He sees a bright future ahead. Another really good article 3 hours ago was Forbes. Crypto is unstoppable. Is Bitcoin really on the cusp of a huge Santa rally? Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets have been trapped in a downward for months, but with just a few weeks until Christmas. Sorry about that. Can we see the bulls and a bull rally really be the way in the Santa rally? And then we have this article right here in the Crypt. Bitcoin price could be headed for a Merry Christmas, news report claims. And then also, guys, we have the coin market cap. And if we look at Bitcoin as a whole, guys, every single year at the end of December, beginning of January, every single freaking year, this thing has a little up, and then you're saying right here, January we have a little up, and then more. Again, guys, we have January, as you see here. Again, guys, we have January. See January. You see what I'm saying, guys? At the end of every December and the beginning of every January, guys, we have a huge run. But before I go in this article, guys, if you're not familiar with my channel, I post cryptocurrency investing, day trading, swing trading, options trading. Make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe. Check out my channel. I post daily videos, sometimes 2 videos. Let's get into article 1. Again, Forbes, guys, is crypto really unstoppable? Is Bitcoin really on the cusp of huge Santa rally? As you guys know, I don't read word for word of these articles. I just summarize. Just basically every single day, I find the best articles, the newest articles. These are all posted within 3 hours, 50 minutes, 1 hour ago. I just like to find. I look through Bitcoin and cryptocurrency articles throughout the day. The ones that I find interesting, I save and I talk about them. That's basically what this channel is about. I also have day trading, swing trading stocks, penny stocks, cryptocurrency. The Bitcoin price is around half this year is due to its highs. So basically, guys, in the last year, Bitcoin has really been a good investment. If you bought the lows, if you bought it going up, as it forms higher lows, and it keeps making bull flags and ascending triangles. If you kept buying in, or if you average down, you should definitely be up this year total, guys. Now, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency heavyweights are predicting a sudden price surge. Technical data is looking positive, and recent developments suggest 2020 could be a big year for Bitcoin. As I was saying, guys, before, every year, end of December, beginning of January, right around Christmas, Bitcoin and crypto takes off. That combined with the Bitcoin happening in a year can be really big news, guys. It could be a perfect time to buy right before it goes up. When Bitcoin or crypto starts surging 50, 100%, that's not the best time. You never want to buy at the top. You want to buy while it's consolidating, while it has the cup and handle, while it's forming an ascending triangle, guys. We will see 10,000 Bitcoin again and welcome 100,000. I definitely believe that is inevitable. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, they're assets that can't be printed. The US dollar and every other currency is fabricated. It just means a dollar because it says it does, because they can always print it, because you give it the value, but it actually holds no value. It's just paper. Bitcoin, you can actually buy stuff anonymously. Same thing with cryptocurrencies online. You can send them. No one can see your transaction history, and you can't make more, right? Everybody knows that there's a limit on Bitcoin and Litecoin. There's a circulating supply. You can't just fabricate. You can't just print them out of nowhere. You know what I mean? Basically, crypto is unstoppable. Crypto is the future. We will see 10,000 again, and we're going to welcome 100,000. Definitely believe it every year, Christmas time. This is from Forbes, guys. Article posted 3 hours ago. And then we have this one, guys, as you see from Analysts, the same analyst who predicted and called Bitcoin in 2010 and again in 2013, says he sees brighter futures ahead, guys. We see the climbing higher at a slower pace, which is good. That represents that it's being more established. Bitcoin is only 10 years old, really, the biggest hype. I know it's been along for longer, but I'm talking investing wise. So there's not a big history and chart pattern. But if you think about it, the more things slow down and act more like a bull market and a bear market, just like the S&P 500. You have its ups, you have its lows. It becomes more reputable, it becomes more reliable. It becomes more like the stock market. It's less volatile. It becomes less abused and manipulated. It becomes more like a long-term investment. That's why you have Roth IRAs. That's why you have 401ks. That's why you have a bunch of retirement accounts now adding Bitcoin. You have Fidelity adding. You have TD Ameritrade adding crypto. Bitcoin price remains volatile short term. Again, guys, this is really, really good. Both of these are good. One is long term, more consistent long-term investment like the S&P 500, but the other one is that you could right here, volatile short term. You could trade it. You could buy the dips. You could buy the lows, sell the rip. Buy the lows, sell the rip. Buy the dip, sell the rip. Just like stocks, guys. Stocks are the same way. You want cryptocurrency and Bitcoin to react and be looked at just like stocks. Stocks can be pumped. Stocks can lose money. Stocks can make money. Stocks can be traded, day traded, shorted, bought for long, short for puts. You know what I mean? You could make money on up and down. Just because some people lose money doesn't mean it's a scam. And the longer that Bitcoin stays around, and the more utility and the more uses, and the more places you could buy it, it makes it more real. It makes it more, you know what I mean, and more official, should I say. And the last article, guys, Bitcoin price could be headed for a very Merry Christmas. News reports claim every single Christmas, every single December 20th to January 30th, it surges, it runs. I'm telling you guys, don't buy up when it's up 50, 100%. This year alone showed you it could go from 3 grand to 10 grand, and now it's consolidating 7 grand. Anything that doubles 350, 400% will have a pullback. It will have taking of profits. Everyone that tripled or quadrupled their money that bought at 3 or average down is selling. So this is normal, guys. And also the same thing is before taxes. End of December, people sell for their taxes. After tax season, January, February, they buy back in. That's why it always happens like that. I'm not going to read through this whole thing, but essentially it's saying, guys, there are datas that's showing that it definitely will go up. There's data, there's charts. Bitcoin's been around for a lot longer. It's more reliable. You can see the past chart history. You can see how it reacts every single year for the last decade almost. So that's basically it, guys. It has a use case, has utility. And as you see, very, very normal chart. If you look at like the S&P 500, it has a very similar chart. The S&P 500 fell 50% a year ago. So all this just making Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies more normal, more mainstream. We could buy things with it now. You could actually trade it. More people know about it. More people use it. You have it in TD Ameritrade, E-Trade's adding it. You have it in Roth IRAs, 401ks. I really do think it's the best time to buy. Even if it dips under 7 and goes to 6 or 5, just keep averaging down. That's my plan, guys. I don't rely on crypto. It's a hobby. It's fun. I genuinely believe in it, but I just keep buying more, whether it goes up or down. But again, guys, just subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit that like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Peace.